Today I will have a small update for my 19-inch rack. So I replaced the old 19-inch rack with a new one, and there were still some small things to do. So let's jump in and see how I fix them.
I bought some 19-inch rack plates to fill the gap in my rack. I also added a USB hub to easily connect devices. I replaced my existing non-powered USB hub with a new powered one with more ports to prevent power drops. Here you can see the old USB hub without the power and the new one with power. You can clearly see that the powered one is brighter.
Yes, really small update. Didn't take much time, also a short video this time, but I already have something new for the next video. So see you in the next video.